What is up, guys? The Explosive Zombie 1 back, and today we're back on another flippity flappity flabbertying Monkey.app video. Yep, we are back. Back in a busyness, and we are gonna jump scare even more people, and we're gonna use 2 new jump scares. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Yeah. So let's
Oh, I was so scared.
Actually, shut up. I mean, get off this one. Because you're gonna keep saying what the fuck?
My name is Billy.
What the? Actually, shut up. I mean, get off this one. Because you're gonna keep saying what the fuck?
My name is Billy.
What the?
You could have at least pretended. Okay, what the fuck? What is that? Okay, that's actually like the first clip of the video.
Who is this kid? You ain't know who none of your other nigga. Now what? Oh my god, this kid just jump scared. Dog. Yo.
And how old even are y'all? Y'all don't even look.
Yo, I'm not sleeping tonight. I ain't playing. I'm not sleeping tonight. I think I'm slashing, bro. I ain't playing, yo. Yo, grab it.
How old even are y'all?
This jumps here teleporting. This
If
kid.
y'all are
How
under
does he do
age
that?
15, y'all cannot call me.
Now step in the camera, bro. You didn't just stand there. Step in the camera.
You want to see my camera? Alright, I'll show you my camera.
Who's that? You ain't gonna see a little guy. Yo, little guy. Little guy. Find that guy, kid. But take that mask off. Look, show you. What are you looking at, Batman? Bro, you're not my dad. I'm not sure. What's that?
Because it's a pre-recorded recording.
Why is this happening to you, bro? It's never happened to me.
You know, we need to have a look at that. Jesus fucking Christ. Yo!
Mangoes can get sunburned. Yo, what's good, bro? Hey, you got a VR? You trying to?
Hello, bro.
Sos Anonymous. ¿Qué pasó? What the hell?
Quiet, or else he will hear you, and I will be
Que te
punished if
hagan.
he hears me.
No, no, no. ¡Uy! ¡Qué miedo! ¡Oh, Dios! No puede ser, amigo.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Oh, Dios mío, me asusté. Me temblaron hasta...
Bruh.
Ew. That was so 2020. Like, can you take it off? That was so 2020. Like, why is that on your face? Like, oh my god. Not to try to be scary. Oh my god.
Was that?
Yo, little twin, we got no switches on lock. Fuck, nigga, we got no switches. Fuck, nigga, I can find your shit right now. I can blow your shit down. Fuck, nigga, I beat your ass. Fuck, nigga, I'm on your ass. Pussy ass, nigga. You a bitch. Nigga, that shit don't scare nigga. Fuck, nigga, ain't no little kid. Nigga, I blow your ass down. Oh, bitch, I'm supposed to be scared. Fuck, nigga. Shit ain't scary. Fuck, nigga. You a bitch. Oh, you a bitch, nigga. On soul, nigga.
What the fuck?
Joker! صابون الكف جيو صابون الكف.
What the fuck?
Oh my god, you thought I was. Oh my god, you're scaring me! No, bitch, you shush. You shut up, I'll put my dick over your ass. Put my dick up your butt. Bitch, you not scaring me. You being lame. Smoking your dumb ass. What the fuck?
Bitch, you did that?
What did you just do?
That's like
Just blew my ass back. Like what?
That's like no technical thing. That causes that you got to
No, bro. Drop that shit in my mouth. What the fuck is a baby now? Am I tweaking? Hide that fucking video off I tell your mama.
Wait, let it play.
Yeah. Wait, come back as the man and then what the fuck? That just that shit be funny, bro. I be seeing this on YouTube. What the fuck, Mario? Mario.
Why was bro built like moist critic?
Hello.
وكسب من السماء في ظلمات ورعد وبرق ويجعلون أصابعهم في أذانهم من الصواعق حذر الموت والله محيط بالكافرين يكاد البرق يخطف أبصارهم كلما أضاء لهم مشاو فيه وإذا أظلم الله عليهم قاموا ولو شاء الله كذب
Hey, what's up? Oh my god, Jeff the killer! Oh my god. No way. You wanna see something cool?
Show me your dick, Jeff.
Want to see something very, very
Let's see.
cool?
No balls.
It's not a jump
Literally,
scare, okay? It's
just a
not a
bit.
jump scare.
A nice raping the baby.
Hi. Hi.
What did I do? It's just a video, by the way. Let me see that below.
It's not a jump scare, I promise.
3.
Oh my god.
Okay, I promise, okay? This
What the fuck?
yes, I got the clip. See, look, guys. Guys. Damn it. Fuck.
Uhmegle!
Hey, what's up? Please don't skip. Please.
Questa facendo, guys?
What?
No.
Clip. We got a clip. Holy shit, that was so loud. Clip. That jawline's about to cut anything in half.
Oh! Game Master!
Game Master, is that you?
It's the Game Master, man.
Shh. Okay.
That was funny.
Oh Cristo santo! Oh Cristo santo! No, questo io no.
Oh my god! Shit! My head clap!
No, I swear.
I'll cheat you up.
I swear.
Got it.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's great. That's splendid.
Free clips. Bada bing.
Yeah,
Free clips in the span of 30 seconds.
I don't even care.
Bada
Hear me
bing,
out,
bada
though.
boom.
Just my clown.
Okay, this side is much better than Monkey.app.
Oh, it's gonna hear me out. Okay, can you show it again? I want to see.
Can I what?
Please, get.
Oh, I'm sad.
Ah!
Yes.
Gewoon echt.
I'm gonna masturbate to you tonight.
Damn!
Okay, you know what? That's gonna be in the video. You know what? That's gonna be in the video.
But I
you know
mean,
what?
can I masturbate to you tonight? Your call. I
What?
Don't look at me like
Dog,
that.
you guys do not look like you're minors, because I am a...
What? My friend! My friend! Ah, c'est moi, je vais lui faire peur, Wesh, t'as envolé, il a disparu! T'es trop gênant! Tu te crois drôle? Je vais te retrouver devant chez toi, tu vas voir. Je vais te retrouver, tu vas voir, je vais te faire la haneni, tu vas voir.
Friend, shut the fuck up!
Need somebody.
I'm Billy.
I'm scared.
I'm sad.
I want to see what happens.
I'm so sad.
That wasn't jump scare, by the way. I don't know what you think
Finally
he's
a clip.
scaring.
Goodbye. Have a good day.
Let's see where he goes. Is he gonna come back?
Nah, I'm not gonna come back.
Are you planning on
Come.
coming back?
No, I'm not gonna come back. I promise.
Oh, I thought he was.
Gotcha. Okay, hold on. I'll show my real face. Wait, I did something wrong.
What is this guy doing? Stop it! Actually, creeping me the fuck out. This is gonna be my dreams.
Wait, fine. See, look, this is my real face. Say hi. Wait, hello. This is my real. Hi. This is my real face, alright? Like, alright, just.
Look, it's not scary anymore.
That was four jump scares. That was four. That's a new record. 4 jump scares.
My
Damn it, I have a fucking thing on my throat. What's going on?
Shit. May repeat, please. Repeat the face. Are so good. Oh no.
What the fuck?
No, dai, mi hanno dato della. No, yeah, no, it scares me. No.
Don't worry.
No.
You don't have to be scared.
No.
Don't worry.
No, I'm sorry.
No, it's fine.
No. Muy dramático.
What the hell?
Vamos. Stop filmando.
Don't be scared.
Luis Buster. Escuchamos.
Yeah.
Hold on, what's going on? Wait, I don't see it.
Hey, show man, you wanna know?
What the Wait, that one.
Stop dici... No, Stefano, cos'è sta roba?
Hi. What are you doing?
Non vedo.
Dici?
Aug jump scare!
What the fuck? Ow, jump scare! What the fuck? What was that reaction? I'm definitely keeping that one.
دي شايفين كده.
Looks older.
I'm dead.
Oh.
Anyways,
Shout out Martin Luther King, that nigga had a dream.
What? Did you just say the N-word?
No, I did not. I'm not that racist.
I heard that shit. I recorded that. I heard that. I got you in 4K, buddy.
Okay.
I sent Nutella.
Post it, bro.
I sent Nutella.
What? Man, what am I?
Swat coin. Dog. It's a good dog. Wolf. It's not a dog. خلاني. وين خلاني. خلاني.
Hold on. Let me turn on my real webcam, alright?
Yes. Go. Waiting. Nice. You're making you have a YouTube channel?
Yes, I have a
Making.
YouTube channel.
Type it in the chat. I'm streaming now. We make like changing our people.
I typed in the I typed in the channel name.
Really? It's not funny. It's not funny. It's not funny.
Okay, you want to see a funny clip? I'm gonna put on a funny
Yes.
clip. My only funny clip, as a matter of fact.
Make the funniest you have. You're not making me scared. Let's go. Wait a minute. Wow.
Anyways, I'm gonna go now.
Come on, my friend. Come on. I'm bored.
Goodbye.
What the fuck?
No,
I'm getting hacked. No.
You're not getting hacked, dumbass. I'm just on Omegle right now, and if I show my face, he will get mad. He's watching, and he will put me in the basement.
He's watching. Wait, let me get your IP. Let me just get your Oh, what is that? You're trying to scare people with that?
Oh, you want to see? Do you have a fear of clowns, sir?
Yeah, I do. In your dreams. It's almost scary. Almost. It's just funny. What the fuck? C'est bien fait en vrai. Hein?
Alright, I'm gonna put you through a couple more clips, alright?
Alright. I'm gonna rate them out of 10.
I made this one myself a lot. Also, that hacker one, it was me.
That's his 2.
Right, I'm gonna put you through the funny clip, because I have a funny one. Holy shit, I've been recording for nearly an hour. Oh god, I gotta edit all the footage. Oh.
What are you, a YouTuber?
Shit, maybe.
What's your YouTube? I'll sub.
Damn, I'm getting subs fast by just accidentally saying that I'm recording. Hold on.
The explosive zombie one.
I usually make Roblox content. I've also been more dabbling into Uhmegle content or Monkey.app content. I got banned off of Uhmegle for people spam reporting me for jump scaring, so I was going to Monkey.app. And yeah, I'm gonna report on both Monkey.app and
Jump scare trolling on Monkey.app. I see it.
yeah, the last 2 clips that I had, those were insane. The one before the last one was of a little kid screaming so goddamn loud, bro, woke up his parents. And the other one was I managed to double jump scare a guy, and he got scared twice.
Wait, let me see.
Oh yeah, I had to edit out like 40 to 50 minutes of footage just to get to the interesting clips.
Hey, though, put me on the vid.
Alright, okay, hold on, so...
Anonymous is why the
Yes, another clip. Another clip.
It's the Anonymous.
By the